Over the last 39 days, we've generated 84 exclusive window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $75 Canadian, which is $55 American dollars, and we spent $6,362 in total ad spend. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how our lead generation funnel helps home improvement companies consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately scale past 7 figures. And for context, over the last 6 years, we've helped over 25 plus home improvement companies generate over $20 million in sales using our lead generation funnel that I'm about to reveal. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the offer because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be your offer. If you have a weak offer, you're not going to stand out and you're not going to have a successful ad campaign. So for the offer for this clients, we're going for $0 down, $35 a month, which is a financing offer. And we're also running another campaign, which is 5 high efficiency windows installed for $4,400. And for this main campaign, 0 down, $35 a month, 25% off entire order, free triple pane upgrade, and lifetime warranty. Now, once we come up with a unique offer, with a strong offer, then we're going to go ahead and come up with the ad creatives. Now, for this client, we decided to use image ads. And what we like to do with these type of, specifically these type of ads, is we like to use a price first strategy. Means we're going to have some sort of a pricing in the ads, either your financing prices like here or your upfront prices. And this, well, 2 things this does. First of all, you're going to come off as more transparent. And number 2, it's going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Now, once we got the offer and the ad creatives, it's time to run the ads. And we run these ads on Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram. And for targeting is pretty simple. All we do is target whatever service area our client wants to target. So right here, they're targeting, a couple different cities, like a radius of, 40 miles, 50 miles. And for age, we're going after 33 to 65 plus, male, female. And once we get that done, we're going to be targeting homeowners who are more likely interested in window replacement. So once they click on it, we're going to take them through a pre-qualification questions. Number 1, which is how many windows do you need replaced? Number of doors, if they need any doors. And then how soon are you looking to start this project? And at the end, full name, phone number, city. Now, this lead qualification form is very important because we have logic on the back end. So if somebody selects ASAP within 39 days, we let them come through. We let them submit the form. If they select not ready yet, still planning budgeting, we can disqualify them. So you're only dealing with serious people who are looking to move forward within the next, either ASAP or within 90 days. Now, once people submit the form, they become a new lead in our system. And we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just not serious. So we have this backend automation that runs, on autopilot 24/7, which is going to follow up with the leads and going to make sure the leads are serious before we send it off over to our end clients. So the moment they become a lead, all the leads will receive an instant SMS. An example would be, hey, whatever the first name is, it's Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Thanks for requesting a quote for our $39 a month high efficiency window promotion, which is including free triple pane upgrade plus 25% off. Just reply yes to confirm this is the best number, and we'll schedule your free estimate. Now, this system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, it's going to automatically reply back saying, perfect, thanks for confirming. I'll call you shortly to go over the options. Talk soon. Now, this happens automatically. There's no humans involved. And so if they reply with a yes, then we're going to count them as a pre-qualified leads, because not only did they go through, answer all the questions on the form, they also replied with a yes. So we know they're more serious. We count them as a pre-qualified leads. Our end clients will receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead where they can call and book that in-home estimates. And all the leads also will be sent to a Google Sheet so we can track everything for reporting. And after that, our clients will call the lead, set the appointment, show up, give the estimate, close. Now, if we get a no response from the leads, we're going to have 3 more follow-ups that go out till we get that yes from them. So the first one would go after 10 seconds. The second one would go after 10 minutes, which is going to go something like, hey, first name, Kelly here from XYZ Windows and Doors, just checking that you received my last message about your window replacement quote request. If you'd like to take a look at options or get pricing, just reply yes and we can help. So if they don't reply back to that, we have another one going after an hour. And then we have the last follow-up that goes after 4 hours, which is going to be the last follow-up. Just wanted to check in one last time about our $35 a month window replacement offer, plus 25% off triple pane upgrade. If you'd like to get a free quote, feel free to reply yes anytime. Now, if during any time here, once they reply with a yes, they're going to go right in here where we count them as a pre-qualified lead. We'll send that information to our end clients. And for the leads who putting invalid phone number, they're just either spams or they reply they're not interested, they're opted out, they go down the trash where they belong. You're not going to even see them. So our end clients only receiving leads that are pre-qualified and that they replied with a yes, showing that they're actually serious. And that's about it. Now, if you own a window replacement company or home improvement business and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me, or we'll go over a quick 10, 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this makes sense for your business. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.